The new Capture 55L refrigerant dehumidifier from Restoration Express, providing an efficient drying solution that delivers industry-leading results during fire and flood restoration projects. An affordable, robust and easy-to-use industrial dehumidifier that combines high performance and portability with the backup of Restoration Express's National Support Service, featuring hot gas bypass for low temperature defrost, humidistat as standard to stop over drying, automatic pump out, easy to clean air filter, low noise, easy of transport using telescopic handle with semi-pneumatic wheels, an operating temperature of +1 to +38 degrees centigrade. Working in tandem with Restoration Express's Helix air mover to create evaporation and collect moisture with a significant effect on drying times. The Capture 55L dehumidifier, offering trusted technology for testing situations, built on decades of research and development to deliver quality, affordability and performance.